Gemini Horoscope 2021. Let's look at the year ahead. Gemini Horoscope 2021. You will be blessed with good fortune. The Gemini Horoscope prediction shows the very special year 2021 for the Gemini natives. This will be a year where you will be happy with the support of luck and even the reduction of obstacles that were following you for a long time. This will be a year where Gemini zodiacs will finally put an end to old issues and start afresh. You will be grateful to the transit of Jupiter in Aquarius, whose aspect is also seen upon the Gemini zodiac sign. It would be a year where many of your plannings will also come true if executed promptly with dedicated focus. So fasten your seatbelts for a much better ride in 2021 as seen in the Gemini astrology. As in Gemini 2021, income is one area where Gemini natives will be happy to see it rise. Income through speculative sources will be rewarding if you are careful of the investments that you undertake at the start of the year. Going long-term investing will also be rewarding. However, if you are clear to take an investment position mid-term or willing to take a risk in derivative products, then you must seek an expert option before taking this position. This will optimize your gains and you will get settled with something significant in accordance with Gemini yearly prediction. Gemini Career Horoscope 2021 says that success will be yours. As per the Gemini Career and Business Horoscope, the year 2021 will be quite supportive and interesting for Gemini natives, as the true meaning of success will be witnessed by Geminis this year. Many of you who couldn't find a satisfactory job last year will see the light at the end of the tunnel. You can easily find a job at the start of the year, maybe even before the end of February 2021. However, you will have to apply more and even cut your resume to suit your requirements. Therefore, do not remain complacent and work towards the larger goal as per the Gemini 2021 Career Horoscope. The Gemini Career Horoscope 2021 shows that the year is good for one and all in every stream of working life. For instance, natives who have been working in a job or career or even self-employed will do well. Again, if planning to start a new business or even planning to expand their business will do well. Since the transit of Jupiter is in the house of Aquarius and it is aspecting your zodiac sign, which will be the true reason for career and business expansion. Therefore, one and all in this zodiac sign will be content in their life. But just remain focused and allow your efforts to get directed in the right direction of career. You will remain content and happy for the larger interest. Gemini 2021, a good year for romance. Further, the year is also good for natives looking for a romantic relationship. The singles will easily mix with their opponents and shall fall into a relationship. Therefore, the aspect of Jupiter upon your sign and also upon the zodiac sign of Libra will be encouraging. Libra zodiac sign is the house of romance and relationship for Gemini zodiac, and the aspect is considered highly auspicious. Thus, the year is also good for natives already into a relationship. The duo will finally decide to settle down in a married relationship, and this will bring you both closer to each other, states the Gemini horoscope. The year 2021 is also good for students pursuing higher studies. Students will be highly enthusiastic and energetic to learn new subjects and even master the same. The Gemini natives planning to work and learn will find the year to be highly beneficial as seen in their horoscope. As Saturn in the house of Capricorn will insist you to learn the practical course, Jupiter will improve the theoretical concepts for this zodiac sign. Therefore, the year will be wonderful for most Gemini zodiac sign natives to practice whatever you have learned. Also, the year is good for students interested in learning any professional course of their choice. Gemini Finance Horoscope 2021, you will earn and save as well. What does the Gemini Finance Astrology Prediction 2021 say? Well, last year Gemini natives had a below average time for earning and saving money. Gemini natives couldn't find new avenues to earn and even improve their savings. This had led to a serious problem, which in turn led to a stern control of expenditure. Still, many unavoidable circumstances made you struggle to meet the ends. But as you move into 2021, you will see a sudden rise in income and a drastic fall in your expenditure. This can surprise you initially, and you will realize that time is the only factor that is not constant and ever changing. Thus, all your efforts to earn and save will see good support in the year 2021, shows the Gemini Finance Horoscope. As per the 2021 Gemini Finance Horoscope, for the natives who are looking out for income through the promotion, will see a happy start. This will be the year where you will find your efforts paying you good returns. Therefore, just remain focused and ensure that all your energies are channelized in the right direction to make you earn well. Lastly, you will also see some new sources of income which will remain stable for the rest of the year, but try to keep your expenditure under control. Gemini Money Horoscope 2021, you can open a new account for saving money. Again, the year is good for investing in simple and long-term assets. If you are keen to start a debt instrument, the returns will be steady this year. You will prefer to balance the volatility and even bring in better returns to you. However, try to earn through regular sources too, since this income from investments should be considered as complements to your regular source. In the meantime, some of you will plan to start a new bank account where you can keep little savings that can be converted into a corpus fund for a future utility. The Gemini 2021 Finance Horoscope shows that the year will finally bring some relaxation to Gemini native planning to improve their credit scores. Last year, some of you couldn't repay your debt on time, which had led to a serious problem with your credit score. Now, this problem will be that of the past, and you will slowly find ways to improve your fortune by repaying on time and bringing stability to your credit history. The year will end on a good note for Gemini natives trying to bring back their lost glory. Gemini Love Horoscope 2021, good year for love and romance. What does the Gemini Love Horoscope 2021 say? Well, Gemini natives are known to be highly expressive in their thoughts and even emotional. They are known to innovatively express their emotions to their partner with ease and even convince their partner for all their genuineness that they bring in. This is the year where Gemini native will be happy to be named as a lucky individual, as singles will easily find a partner and shall fill their life with complete happiness. So you will be happy with all the surprises that you will enjoy this year, only to be welcomed by joy and happiness. Thus, the year will be good in a romantic relationship for natives as per the Gemini Love Prediction 2021. Now, for natives who have liked someone for long but couldn't muster the courage to convey their emotions to their partner, will easily convey their emotions this year. But do not expect any miracle, as your partner will need some time to understand you. More so for men who have liked someone but would patiently wait for the support of their partner. Keep persuading or even spend time on dates where you will be happy with your partner, as seen in the love life of Gemini in 2021. There is also a possibility that once you start dating your partner, they would understand you and shall bring you closer to each other. Gemini Love Horoscope 2021 shows more peace and harmony. As per Gemini Relationship Horoscope 2021, if you are in a relationship and underwent some misunderstanding in the previous year with your partner, then this year will see an easy settlement between you and your partner. This will also be a year where you will settle down all ego clashes and bring some parity that didn't prevail in the past. Make sure you are more careful and forthcoming to talk to your partner and bring sweetness in a relationship. All your ego clashes will be put to an end convincingly, maybe even talk to your partner with some considerable understanding. Gemini Marriage Horoscope 2021, the year 2021 better than previous year. As it is said, no year can be fulfilling without the sharing of emotions. The same can be said about this year as per Gemini Marriage Astrology 2021. Be it good or bad, you would need someone to be with you at times where life is struggling and unable to bear the pains that are inflicted on your heart. Not anymore. The year that you endured in 2020 was one of pain and struggle. But soon at the start of the new year, you will find someone willingly to help you and slowly build a bonding with you. Be thankful to the transit of Jupiter in Aquarius, who is enabling all this in your favor. Now to get into specifics, the year will start well for singles, which means you will come across someone very important and interesting. You will be happy with the way life will turn progressive the moment you come across someone important and special. The only month that you should be careful is the month of May and June, where due to miscommunication you can be in some silly trouble. So tread carefully around these 2 months and lead a wonderful life. Gemini natives who are singles can also avoid getting married in these 2 months and plan the time for their marriage accordingly. Gemini Family Horoscope 2021, stars see better understanding with partner. Now, for natives who had a troubled relationship earlier, will also find solutions to come up to them easily. Your partner will understand you easily and even work a common bond as per the Gemini Marriage Prediction 2021. All this will be due to the soothing effect of Jupiter upon your sign and even on the zodiac sign of Leo, which is known to bring mutual understanding and improvement. So as you will move towards the year end, all your efforts will finally bring parity in the relationship between the two of you. Stay focused till the end and bring sweetness in your married relationship. Any plans of separation that are potent in your mind will slowly fade towards a better living. Now, natives who have been planning to raise a family in the year 2021 has many good surprises and positive news for you. The couple can be blessed with a baby anytime throughout the year, says the Gemini Marriage and Family Horoscope 2021. More so in the second half, as this will bring you much more happiness and success in life. But you will have to plan for the same well in advance, and for this you will need to talk to your partner and bring parity in the state of mind. All in all, the year is likely to bring happiness in all walks of life, and the same is seen in personal life too. Gemini Health Horoscope 2021, you will try your best to maintain good health. What does Gemini Health Astrology Prediction 2021 say? Well, health is one area which is as important as prospering financially. Thus, all the Gemini natives will try their best to acquire and even maintain good health, as they are known to maintain it. This is one good thing in the year 2021. All the major ailments that troubled you last year will finally come to an end. This will be a year where you will not only find yourself in good health, but even get free from any ailment that troubled you until recently. This will be a year where you will not only find yourself in good health, but even get free from any ailment that troubled you until recently. Keep yourself as immune as possible with proper diet and timely exercise to remain healthy this year. In fact, except for the following few months, for most of the year, Gemini zodiac signs natives will maintain good immunity. The following months are February, May, June and September 2021. Around these few months, your health may not support in case of undergoing any treatment that is important to remain fit and strong. Keep yourself away from any addiction around these months, including overeating, as gastric related problems can be a little more bothersome. Try to be as careful as possible with your diet to avoid being lenient around this phase. Maintain a good distance from temptations of overeating, and this will maintain good health in you. Gemini Health Horoscope 2021 shows you will get mentally strong again. As per Gemini Health and Fitness Horoscope, the year is good for professional athletes or zodiac natives looking to make a come in their profession. This will make you confident and strong internally once again. You will be content with all forms of preparation and health habits that will put you in a strong state of mind. Also, take the help of any professional who can provide you adequate guidance to improve your fitness, and you can work towards professionalism. All this will be a perfect aid to your hard and designated effort. These are some of the good signs of maintaining good health. The only advice for you will be, in general, to all Gemini natives is not to consume too much non-vegetarian food. The intake has to be moderated and should not be over-consumed and controlled to the limit it is needed. Otherwise, you can be in trouble due to overnight and extreme stomach ailments. Some natives who have been trying to be completely vegetarian in their food intake will also be successful, as Jupiter will enable you to maintain good discipline. Thus, the year will bring a balance in your diet and even push you to maintain proper immunity. Gemini Education Horoscope 2021 shows you will be benefited by learning. While learning is important, the Gemini zodiac sign is nowhere below average when it comes to improving academic performance as per the Gemini Education Horoscope. The Gemini zodiac sign is known to be quick to learn and grasp the subject, being ruled by Mercury. Therefore, the power of comprehending will be high this year, and natives will be content with their preparation. More so if a Gemini native is interested in pursuing higher studies in finance, accounting and business mathematics. The good part is that students or working professionals planning to even pursue a certificate course of quick vocational learning on these subjects are likely to do very well throughout the year. Thus, all the benefits of learning are likely to be seen this year. As per the findings from the Gemini 2021 Education Horoscope prediction, the students planning to pursue even a professional course can enroll for the same before the end of March. Since you will get the advantage of Jupiter, who will be well placed in its house of Aquarius, you will see a steady rise in learning and improving your fundamental knowledge of the subject. Thus, pursuing a professional course this year is likely to improve your knowledge and even make you understand your ability to apply the knowledge that you have learned now. Therefore, the year will be productive and even rewarding to most Gemini zodiac sign. Gemini Wealth and Property Horoscope 2021, your finances will expand. When the flow of finance is likely to be improved for the Gemini zodiac sign, then how can wealth accumulation take a backseat? This is a year where many of you Gemini natives will slowly come closer to their long-drawn dream as per the findings in Gemini Wealth Horoscope. It would be easy to achieve your dream, and this will put you on the trajectory. Do not take a backseat in your efforts, as you will be happy with a steady progress in accumulating wealth. Some of you will even plan to acquire a property as investment. All this will bring you much satisfaction and enable you to stick to the larger goal that was drawn long back. Now, as far as purchasing a second property is concerned, the native of your zodiac sign are advised not to spend heavily on the same by taking credit from a bank or any other financial institute. You can be in serious trouble that will put you in a difficult state, as your financial well-being will be under slight stress. Ideally, liquidate one of your assets, financial or even tangible assets, that will enable you to make the most of the acquiring asset. There will be more peace and a relaxed state of mind in you, shows the Gemini Wealth Astrology. Gemini Education Horoscope 2021 shows you may pursue foreign education. Further, students planning to undertake an exchange program in a foreign country are also likely to find a suitable ground to seek one. Your application will be deep and indicate the purpose of undertaking such an exchange program. Therefore, the efforts that you will apply to get enrolled for such an exchange program will be rewarding. Also, if you apply for educational grants from recognized institutes, then you will not be disappointed to receive a positive response. However, you will be advised to do all the necessary paperwork at the earliest. If you can do it with some conviction, then you will be successful in seeking the grant with some ease, says the Gemini Education Horoscope. Have a beautiful 2021, all you Gemini.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.